To prevent losing your S Pen using the warning feature on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features, tap S Pen, scroll down the screen, tap more S Pen setting, and then tap the gray on offset next to warn if S Pen is left behind until the switch turns blue to turn it on. With this setting, your phone will alert you with sound, vibration, and a pop-up notification if you leave your S Pen behind and walk away with your phone while the screen is off. Given to the function, this feature is especially helpful if you are often on the move or working in multiple places. With the warning feature turned on, you will get a timely alert so you don't forget your S Pen somewhere and risk losing it. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.